Tropic, part of CL Textile, is one of the largest vertically integrated manufacturers of quality jersey garments in the Indian Ocean. We'll let you in on our secret. Every Tropic garment is the result of a design-driven process. That's our secret recipe, and every one of our 3,500 talents knows it. At Tropic, we understand that innovation plays an integral role in shaping the solutions that we offer to our customers. This, in turn, enables us to empower the inspired minds of our innovators, designers, engineers, and strategic thinkers to create our products in a way that is both a solution and an inspiration to the industry. To this end, we are keenly exploring all opportunities in business model, technology, product, process, and cost innovation.